Well, Heal Our Land is here to serve and to minister to your heart. And so wherever you are in your life, if your marriage is broken, your kids are doing their own thing and not a part of your life anymore, if you don't have any purpose in your business and you don't know why you're doing the kind of work that you're doing, let us talk to you about that. Let us engage with you. Let us discover what is your assignment, because it's the Father that gives you that identity. It's the Father that brings forth the tools that you need to fulfill your assignment and be able to do the things that you're called to do. That's what Heal Our Land does. We specialize and work with couples and families, and we even have an amazing relationship lifeline curriculum course that we go through where we can actually take you and your wife or your family through a 3-day intensive to where you'll be able to understand and be able to see the things that are holding you back from your childhood. We'll be able to reveal those things, so that because you buried them and you buried them alive, and then we can move you to a place where you can look at those things from God's perspective and what He sees in that, and then move into a place where you have the tools and you are able to grab a hold of the hope that you need to engage in what you're called to be and what you're called to do and those you're called to serve.